As we move through the 21st century, sustainable building practices become more urgent every day. Our cities and living patterns must be transformed, from waste management and transportation to the energy sources and building materials we use. Our urban developments need resourceful and healthier solutions for people and the planet. Innovative courses and programs must help educate our workforce to meet these demands.
The built environment affects everybody on so many levels. It affects your personal health, it affects your emotional health, and obviously it affects the environment. So designing something that is serving the environment and helping sustain life it's what it's all about.
At the heart of downtown Oakland, Laney College stands ready for change. Laney has made its commitment to sustainable practices and offers green building programs in architecture, carpentry, construction management, electrical technology, environmental control technology, machining, welding, and wood technology. Laney's architecture program is taught by LEED accredited professionals who are experts on ecological design and computerized 3D modeling. Carpentry classes introduce an array of green building methods and construction standards through hands-on learning. Right now, students and faculty are building one of the Bay Area's most sustainable houses according to international passive house standards.
This is a student-built house for Laney College. This house, I would say, will be in the top 2 or 3 performing homes in the Bay Area when it's done. You should be able to live in this home for $15 a month. Heating and electricity.
Laney's electrical department includes robust solar electric and advanced lighting courses that motivate students for careers in renewable energy. In addition, the program is state approved for becoming a licensed electrician. Meanwhile, the Environmental Control Technology Department leads the way in smart home and commercial building operations. Here, you'll find the Bay Area's only commercial HVAC and building automation programs, where students learn to maximize energy savings with the latest mechanical and computer technology.
The students at Laney, they're learning the new technologies of not even the future, the technologies that we need to install today.
Laney College is committed to sustainable building and hands-on learning, preparing students for the 21st century and a cleaner world. Easily accessible by Lake Merritt BART Station, Laney offers a variety of technical courses with 4-year transfer options plus special programs for veterans. For more information, visit laneycte.org. Build a green future at Laney College.